Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the specific account, an app where the location exists. Turn off location history and stop sharing with others so changes don't reappear. Next, open the Map app and navigate directly to Saved, Timeline, or My Places. This is where pins and saved addresses live. Once there, locate the exact place entry or timeline point you want removed, and tap its Options menu to reveal Delete or Remove commands. Act now to remove the record. Now continue by deleting the actual pins and timeline records. For each saved place, use Delete or Remove and confirm removal. This prevents local restoration. Then clear location-based activity and cached data in the app settings so stale info disappears. After that, revoke location permissions for the app on your device and any linked accounts or third-party apps. This prevents future automatic tagging. Make sure you also check other synced devices and sign out where necessary so the deletion propagates across. Finish by verifying the location no longer appears in search, map tiles, or your timeline after restarting the app and device. If the place is a public listing or street view marker, submit a removal request to the map provider and supply proof if required. This addresses server-side copies. Once done, monitor for up to several days for propagation. If the location persists, clear app cache, log out and back in, and if needed, contact support. This single troubleshooting tip solves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.